What is the best car polisher for car detailing 2023? Here are my full reviews of the best car polisher for car detailing 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Meguiar's Professional MT300DA Polisher. Do you find yourself spending hours trying to buff out scratches or polish your car to a high shine? Look no further than Meguiar's Pro Power Dual Action Polisher. This powerful machine is engineered to deliver outstanding results when compounding, polishing, or waxing your car. Featuring a billet counterweight with a multi-bearing design, this polisher ensures smooth and precise balance, so you can achieve the perfect finish every time. The digital torque management system electronically adjusts the torque needed to maintain a loaded speed level, making it easier than ever to get professional level results. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this Orbital polisher features a multi-position D-handle and a thumb-adjustable speed dial for improved comfort and control. Compatible with DBP3, DBP5, and DBP6 backing plates for 3, 5, and 6-inch discs, this versatile polisher is perfect for any job. In short, if you're looking for a powerful and versatile car polisher that can help you achieve professional level results, Meguiar's Pro Power Dual Action Polisher is an excellent choice. With its advanced features and ergonomic design, it's sure to become a go-to tool in your car care arsenal. Pros: precision torque management, smooth operation with multiple bearings, speed and handle can be adjusted ergonomically, versatile backing plate size compatibility. Number 2. DEWALT Buffer Polisher, 7-inch 9, 12 amp. Do you have a problem with low-quality polishers that can't handle the toughest applications? Don't miss out on the DEWALT Variable Speed Buffer Polisher. With its powerful 12-amp motor and all-ball bearing construction, this polisher is built to last and provide top-notch performance. The electronic module maintains a specified speed under load, ensuring a better finish result, while the conveniently located variable speed dial allows you to set the maximum speed from 0 to 600, 3500 RPM for different materials and applications. Control is key when it comes to polishing, and the DEWALT Variable Speed Buffer Polisher has you covered. The variable speed trigger allows you to control the speed from 0 to the dialed maximum setting, while the heat-treated, precision-cut steel gears provide smooth operation. And with wool ingestion shields that eliminate wool ingestion, you can extend the tool life and reduce service costs. The non-mar rubber gear case cover also reduces surface imperfections and improves the gripping surface, so you can confidently tackle any project with ease. Whether you're a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast, the DEWALT Variable Speed Buffer Polisher is the perfect tool for all your polishing needs. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Polishee. Random orbit action assures a uniform finish fast for the car polisher. Comfortable two-handle design of the variable speed polisher reduces fatigue. 10 feet. Chord for great mobility. Includes foam applicator for easily applying wax or polish. Runs on random orbit at 4,400 orbits per minute for a swirl-free finish. 10-foot cord accommodates car and boat polishing projects. Includes a comfortable two-handle design. Number 4. Buffer Polisher, SPTA 5-inch 125mm Dual Action. Excellent performance. The SPTA DAPSET US is a 110V 6.5A Dual Action Polisher. With powerful motor, this random orbital polisher is perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, reappearing the shine of your car. You can also use it to sand wood or metal. Powerful polisher, eccentric polisher with 750W power, light body, easy replacement of carbon brushes. Constant power and constant speed function, more stable. Variable speed control. 6-speed control dial allows you to adjust the car polisher speed according to different applications. No load speed, 2,000–5,200 per minute, low speed for waxing and buffing. Medium speed for polishing and cleaning, while high speed for removing paint defects and oxidation. Constant power and smooth start. The speed can be maintained by high-quality electronics, which makes this buffer polisher is easy to use and comfortable, convenient for long-time work and reducing fatigue. Number 5. Worx WX856L.920V 10-inch Orbital Buffer Polisher, tool only. The Orbital action runs at 3000 RPM and will leave you cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and RVs looking like you got them professionally detailed. Easy to use, even though it's powerful and you'll get auto shop quality results, it's surprisingly easy to use. The steering wheel style handle gives you good, even control. Do it all with the same battery. Worx PowerShare is compatible with all Worx 20V and 40V tools, outdoor power, and lifestyle products. Comes with extra bonnets, microfiber polishing, buffing, and application bonnets are all included in this kit, so you'll have everything you need to get started. Solid build quality. Impact-resistant mold ABS plastic protects it against drops and ensures this polisher will still be around for years to come. Cordless mobility. This buffer uses a PowerShare rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about tripping on a cord or the potentially dangerous combination of electricity and a water bucket.